Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the fuse machine in Plant versus Brainrot game on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already joined the game, and first thing first, we need to go to the central island and you will find the fuse machine right here. Okay, and if you want to use it, you need to choose the plant first. For example, I'm going to choose my strawberry. Okay, this one guys, and you can place the strawberry on this area, and you need to match the strawberry with this brain rot, the orangutan brain rot. Okay, it has to be matched. Okay, let me search the orangutini, sorry. Okay, and after you have placed the plant and also the paired brain rot, you just need to click on views. Okay, and you need to wait for 1 minute, and the brain rot and the plant will be mixed. And wait, let's pause this video and I'll be right back if the process is done. Okay, it's almost done guys, and okay, it's fusing, and I got orangutini strawberry, and I'm going to search it in my inventory. Not this one. Oops, wait. Alright, this is the orangutini strawberry from the fuse machine. Okay guys, and that's how we can use the fuse machine in Plant versus Brainrot. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!